welcome back to my channel. So I am in my car right now because this is gonna be a vlog. A vlog, yes, yay for vlogs. So pretty much I'm outside of the doctor's. I'm gonna have my anatomy scan for the baby, for little Nathan, and yeah, we're gonna see him in 3D and see how much he's grown. I mean, I'm pretty sure he's grown because I've been feeling more fat. Yeah, like more chubbier. Everyone says that he's grown, that it's getting bigger. There's times when I feel like it's smaller still, and there's times when it's like I do feel big. But so far, it's grown. I am 20 weeks and 3 days right now. So little Pepe has grown, yes. I need to have a full bladder. I came here with a full bladder, couldn't handle it, so I went to go pee somewhere. But I have a Starbucks drink for my full bladder. I also have my water here for a full bladder. So yeah. So now I'm just chilling. I have to be in at 1:50. It's barely 1:17. So I'm just chilling right now and waiting until it's like 1:50. And yeah. So obviously I'm gonna vlog the whole ultrasound so you guys can see the little baby as well. And yeah. I did my makeup real fast too. I went to work without makeup and I did it really fast right now. Yay for makeup. Looking professional. Or should I say looking presentable, not professional, because I mean, just wearing a tank top and my sweater. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm going inside the building, because yeah, I'm outside right now. If you guys are wondering where Jonathan is, he is currently working. He couldn't come for the appointment, which is kind of sad. He's gonna miss out on watching his baby and all of that. But that's why I'm recording this, so he could see it later, y'all. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm walking inside the building. So sad thing, they didn't let me record. Because of the HIPAA regulation, which I understand. I work on a medical office as well, and if you guys work at a medical office as well, you guys know the HIPAA regulations, privacy and all of that. So yeah, but I got some pictures and I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. Let me find my car first. Let me not get ran over also. Got some pictures. I feel like my bladder wasn't that full yet. So found my car. Let me get inside the car and I'll show you guys the ultrasound. Right, so I'm in the car already. Let me show you guys my little baby. And he's still a boy. Not that I really wanted him to change into a girl, but I'm still happy that he's still a boy, you know, confirming. So here's that little face. It's covering his face. Here's another face picture, a 2D, and just his billy wingy, confirming that he is a boy, still a little boy. He has big ears. I think he's getting the ears of Jonathan, because I have really small ears, so I think he might be getting his ears. And our big nose, because we both have big nose. But yeah, still, he's all on this one. It looks like he's like, oh no. But look at my little baby, he's so cute. Can't believe I'm already like halfway there, like halfway towards 40 weeks. According to this, I'm 20 weeks and 2 days. According to the app, I'm 20 weeks and 3 days. So yeah, there's times when they just measure me at 19 weeks, so I could be, I'm like in between, I guess, I don't know. There's times when I still feel the baby. His heartbeat still sounds great, so that's great. I don't know, probably on the next doctor's appointment, my doctor is gonna go with me through every like anatomy scan that they took. So we'll see. Can't stop looking at him. He's so cute, my little Nathan. My little Nathan. A little Billy Wingy. He's a little boy. My little boy. He's gonna be a mama's boy. Well, they say every boy's a mama's boy. Jonathan's a mama's boy. Yeah, he is. My brother, he's a mama's boy too. He's so cute, my little baby. It sucks I couldn't record, but like I said, I understand HIPAA regulation. Like I said, I work on the medical field, so I understand the whole HIPAA regulation. So yeah, let me show you guys my bump update, even though I'm like sitting down, but you can still see my bump. So here's the bump. My pants are unbuttoned, FYI. But here's the bump. Front profile. 20 weeks. 20 weeks. So now I'm just gonna go to the mall. I saw something really cute that I want to buy the baby, since he's gonna be a winter baby. I'm just buying him like some winter clothing, like a little bit. I'm not buying him like a shitload, you know, just yet, because I am gonna have a baby shower and I will record that for you guys. Have someone record it as well. So yes, so I'll see you guys in the mall in a bit and I'll show you guys, okay? So I straight up forgot to record at the mall, but this is a cute little outfit I bought him. So a sweater with his little pantaloncito, so cute. I just need like cute little booties to put him on. But look, he's so cool. Oh, my baby. My baby. Little boy.